Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will tell you about the diet for kidney failure patients because diet plays 50% role in your healing. We always keep saying that your diet plays the most important role in recovering your kidney's health. So, what diet should a kidney patient follow? Usually people ask about vegetables, like which vegetables are good for kidney patient and which they should avoid. If I talk about vegetable, one thing you must understand that kidney patients should strictly avoid vegetables like potato, beetroot, turnip, sweet potatoes, or especially the vegetables that grows under the ground. Similarly, you should avoid leafy vegetables like spinach, cabbage, cauliflower, coriander. Kidney patients should eat vegetables that grows on a plant as a fruit like bottle gourd, snake gourd, brinjal, ladyfinger, green pumpkin and cucumber. Here many of you may have a question in your mind that why only vegetables that grow on a plant as a fruit? This is because these vegetables carry a limited amount of potassium. If potassium is elevated or it is not in control, the kidney patient can face many complications. If the level of potassium is between 3.5 to 5.5, it is considered normal. But there is no other option than dialysis if it is beyond this range. It increases the risk of heart attack too. The vegetables that I mentioned to you carry a limited amount of potassium that needs to tone down in your body. So I hope you all have got that kidney patients should eat vegetables that grow on a plant as a fruit, and you must avoid the vegetables that grow under the ground and leafy vegetables also. Now, talking about fruits, we get many queries related to fruits as well. Kidney patients are often confused about which fruits they should avoid and what kind of fruits they can consume. In a kidney failure patient diet, it is advised to avoid high potassium fruits like banana, kiwi, avocado, dry fruits and coconut, as they contain high in potassium amount along with the citrus fruit. Now, the question rises, why to avoid citrus fruits like mango, oranges, grapes? The reason to avoid citrus fruit is that these fruits promote metabolic acidosis in the body. Now try to understand metabolic acidosis in easy words. Kidney not only filters waste from the blood, it also regulates pH of the body. Kidney excrete excess amount of acid from the body, but when the function of kidney decreases, along with creatinine and uric acid also accumulates in the body, which further deteriorates the functioning of kidney. That's why kidney failure patient creatinine increases with slow pace till creatinine reaches level of 4. After that, the pace of kidney failure increases because of metabolic acidosis. It is a vast topic. I will discuss metabolic acidosis in another video. So, always remember to avoid fruits like banana, kiwi, avocado, coconut and citrus fruit like mango, grapes, oranges. You can take fruits like apple, papaya, muskmelon, lemon melon, pear, apricot up to 1 cup daily. So that's all for this video. Please share this video with the people you know who are dealing with some kidney disorder. Keep watching and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.